Hey my beauties, welcome back to a new video, and if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out some new drugstore makeup that I have in my collection. Some products are new to me. I'm going to go ahead and start off with my eyeshadow, and these aren't like new, but you guys know that Target sells Colourpop now. They have like a Colourpop section. I have the Fresh Greens palette, and then I have the Feeling Toasty palette. I low-key want to do this one, but I always do like a neutral look. So, but I do love green eyeshadow. Green eyeshadow is one of my favorite colors to wear when I want to wear colors. I'm going to go ahead and pick a color to start off with to use as my transition. This color right here. And this one is called Local BB. And then I'm just going to tap that color. I'm just going to go ahead and just build this color up. It's not that patchy. I mean, it's a little patchy, but I've seen worse. Next, I'm going to go in with a lid shade. I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's called Green Goddess. So I'm going to use that shade on my lid. And it picks up really well on the brush. Using a flat, like, concealer brush. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's cute. And I'm going to use the eyeshadow to cut my crease like I do all the time. I haven't eaten anything all day, and I didn't realize it was like going on 8:30. I like randomly started watching the Whitney Houston movie, and so far it's pretty good. Like it grabbed my attention. I love green eyeshadow. I gotta give me some more of these. These are out of stock on Temu. I mean, I have plenty of like flat eyeshadow brushes, but I didn't really like the way it carved out my brows, but I'm liking the way it's picking up this eyeshadow. Oh my god, this brush is really picking up this color really well, and this color is just pigmented regardless. Like, that's beautiful. I know Colourpop has a blue palette. I'm so shocked that I didn't get the blue palette because I seen it today. I almost got it, but I'm like, let me get what I came in here for. But I'm going to get that Dolores Wheel on next payday if they have it in stock, and get that blue palette because I love blue. Blue and green eyeshadow. Like, that's my go-to colors, like, when I want to wear some color. Like this. Have you guys ever cleaned this before? If you have, let me know. I guess you could just use water. I rarely use it. I just use it when I need to. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of depth on the outer part, and I'm going to take this green color right here. I'm going to take this color, and this one is called Good For You. I'm going to take that. Once again, it's picking up nicely. I'm just going to add a little bit of, you know, give the look a little dimension. And I'm going to put that on the outer part. Show up a little, like, darker. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah. I mean, you can see it a little bit. Last but not least, for the eyes, I'm going to take this dark green, like olive khaki color. This one is called Vague Out. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to use this to deepen up everything. And that should like bring the look together. Yep. Yep, there we go. I'm just going to tap it. And then I'm going to bring a little bit in my crease, because I want to blend all of that out. I'm just going to flick it in as well. A little bit more and flick it in. Like so. And I'm just going to take the first blending brush that I used and just blend it all. I'm sorry if I wasn't facing the camera. I'm going to take this color Cold Press. I'm going to take just a little bit of that. I'm going to take that and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges right here. I'm just going to take an angled like brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend out the edges. So I could just have like a ombre effect of all these different greens. Okay, so for a primer, I never tried the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams, and I know if you guys watch Nana Beauty, she talks about this. I don't really care too much for e.l.f.'s putty primers, but I got 2 of these because I know she really likes it, so I was like, let me try it. But I know everybody's skin is different. Both of those primers, like the mattifying and the original one, it makes me oily. So I was like, so yeah, so I'm gonna try this out. This doesn't feel, it doesn't really feel like the original one. It feels a little different. When I was picking out makeup for this video, I noticed that the expiration date was 5/23, and which is, you know, that's this month. To Monday is May 1st. So I was like, well, I need to use this. So the first time I used it, I didn't really care too much for it, but I know one of you all was telling me to be light-handed with it, which I am very heavy-handed with my foundations when I put them on. I know that. So I'm gonna try to do just a few pumps. Oh, I got a clean brush, y'all. It's rare that I find one of those in my collection. I don't like putting foundation on with my earrings. We're gonna try this color again, but I know you were saying you don't need a lot. Sometimes I be feeling like I need more, like right now. But I need to like use this because it's gonna expire. I don't know why I was just swiping it. I meant to tap it. That's right in my mouth. I meant to buff it in a little bit more on the face. That probably was too much. Yeah, and I don't think I was too sure about the color too. I probably still overdid it with the foundation, but it is what it is. I can keep trying. I gotta keep on pushing. Okay, so I don't know, like I said, I just wasn't really impressed. I mean, I know some people like it, but I don't know, I'm still not impressed with the, I don't know, maybe because my girl, I don't know. As far as concealer, I have these black Radiance concealers that I want to try. Yeah, I have these. I bought these like a month or 2 ago. I don't know, maybe like a month ago. I don't know, child. But these are from Black Radiance. And so I'm going to start off with the shade medium, right? I hope I like this. I hope it doesn't crease. I don't feel like it will. Kind of blends in really well with my foundation. I'm glad I bought that light one. Oh my god, it looked like foundation. Like if I wanted to, I can wear that as foundation. And now I'm gonna highlight with the light. Well, I'm so happy I bought this light color because child, it blend right in. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes, and I'm gonna try to find me, I'm just knocking everything down. So for eyelashes, I'm gonna try these by Kiss. This is the Bombshell. I tried them once, I guess, so I'm gonna try them again, see if I like them. But I'm gonna go ahead and start blending this out. They blend out well. The coverage looks alright. I don't think I'll let it sit and dry. I might just next time just blend it out because it feels like it's matte. I'm gonna try out a new powder. This is from Milani. This is the Conceal Plus Perfect Blur Out Powder. So I know blurring stuff is like in effect at the moment. This is what it looks like. This is in the color Translucent. So you just press down on it to get your powder. So I always try to just tap mine first before I put it on. All right, so let's see if it blurs, child. I don't know. I feel like you only need a little bit. I probably put too much. But it look alright. What do you all think? This is with and without. I would like a different color instead of translucent. This product feels like it's very fine. Like it's not like a heavy powder. I would like to try this out with a different concealer. I don't have any new powders, so I'm just going to use the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. Girl, look at this. I'm just going to use that in the color 355 Sienna. I have these e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wands, and I have 2 shades. I have Tan Deep and I have Deep Rich. We're going to go ahead and try both of them out on each side. I'm not going anywhere, so I don't care about looking crazy. On this side, I'm going to use the Tan Deep one. That might have been too much. We'll put some up here. Ooh, it's cold. I'm just going to take a... Child, I'm going to take a brush and blend it out. I don't know why I'm so nervous to do that. Because like I said, I don't use stuff like this. Oh, that don't look too bad. Okay, this is my first time trying something liquid like this. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there. So this is Tan Deep, but that's what it looks like on me. And I just have to keep playing around with it to apply it better. So just give me some time. So this one is a Deep Rich. I'm gonna try that over on this side. And this one is dark, so probably only need a little bit. I don't need to be going up here with that. Let's just start off with a little bit because this seems dark. Ooh, yeah. So this is definitely, ooh. You know when you messed up? I was gonna try it with a beauty blender. Oh, I don't like that. That's muddy. Grayish. I know it's a contour, and but I don't like that. I don't like that color on me. And you definitely need like just one little tiny dot of that L'Oreal mascara, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. I tried it for the first time yesterday and I really liked it. I don't like the way my eyelashes are looking because I like these eyelashes, but one looks higher than the other. Let me put some more mascara on. I'm going to be trying on all of the new shades in the Maybelline Lifter lip glosses. I love these lip glosses. If you guys don't know, Maybelline came out with some new shades, and these are for the summer, so as they should. So I seen that early August. She posted her community tab that they were available at Walmart, so I went ahead and I made a purchase immediately before they sold out. If you guys want to see a lip swatch video, go ahead and watch her video. I will leave a link down below. But I'm going to try these on as well for you guys. So just 5 new shades. So I'm going to start off with the lightest shade, which is Gummy Bear. But it looks like really cute. Actually, we don't want to waste no product. Let me just take it off of there. Yeah, it's sheer. Oh wait, there's a little color. I haven't seen these in store yet. That's cute. I like that you can build this color up. Okay, yeah, that's cute. That one is really cute. The camera is not doing it justice. Like, it really looks nice in person. Okay, so this one is a Gummy Bear. That is so cute. I like this. Yeah, I can see myself running through this shade. Next shade is Peach Ring. This is Peach Ring. That's what it looks like. Once again, we ain't wasting no product. I wish this was a tad bit more pigmented. I guess you gotta build it up. The next color is Sweetheart. Now, let's see what this is giving. Okay, that's cute. Oh my god, that's cute. I like that color. Last but not least, we have the color Taffy. But I'm gonna go ahead and try out this Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. And I see a lot of girls with this, so I want to try. Girl, I can't, it's hard to take the damn top off. This smells so good. I don't think I like the way it come out. I thought it was gonna come out like Morphe. So far, I like the eyeshadow palette. I love the lip glosses. And then the Halo Glow, I don't like this color too much. It's too muddy, it's gray. It's not for me. This color I don't mind. Yeah, that color I can work with. I will try to apply it different ways, but I can do without that. It's gray. So the concealer, it looks alright. It's not too bad. I don't think I will let it sit. Like, I let it sit for a little bit and then I blend it out, because like I felt like I was really trying to blend it out. So it does dry down fast to me. It is matte. I mean, the coverage is okay. It looked like it's creasing just a little bit, but it's not too bad. I have to wear this for like a full day, but I mean, it's all right. The powder, I don't know if it has flashback. If I remember, maybe I'll take a picture. The powder is not heavy at all. Like, it's very fine. I don't know if I see like a blurring effect with the powder. So I wish it was a different color, to be honest with you, but I don't know if I see a blurring effect. So guys, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys comment down below, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know, have you tried any of these products that I have. I'll see you guys later. Bye.